So today we're showing you how to apply Silca Super Secret chain lube. It's just like any other chain lube with one key difference: timing. I've actually already cleaned this chain for this video, but assuming that your chain is now clean, the next step that you need to make sure that you do is actually shake this. I know you hear shake well all the time, but this is actually a wax emulsion product. And so what that means is this is basically just wax, little microscopic wax pellets mixed in with water. Doesn't sound too fancy. That's what makes this so genius. But because of that, you have to shake it up. Give it a good shake for 10 to 15, 20 seconds until you truly feel that, it's thoroughly mixed up. So now I'm applying Super Secret. It's kind of hard to do with the camera in the way, but I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like when it comes out. It looks kind of funky, but it's got like a green creamy color to it, but once it dries you'll see exactly why. This stuff, I mean, I don't think anybody really cares what their chain wax looks like or their chain lube or whatever, but I just think it looks kind of weird. But at this specific moment, I've noticed that if there is any water or oil left on it, you'll see that it just kind of like bubbles up or it beads up and it like rolls right off. And so yeah, so you just keep doing this. I just apply it to every link, and then yeah, we'll come back when I'm done and after I've let it dry, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so now it's cured. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. See if I can do this. See how quiet it is, first off. But so I left all the wax on it. I didn't. You're supposed to wipe it off, but I wanted to show you that it actually is indeed wax. So now that we've applied this lube on our chain, I don't know if you can see all that, but all the excess, it comes off. You see all that right there? Maybe you can. Yeah, you see, so what I like to do, honestly, is just wipe it all off so you don't get all this mess everywhere. Especially if you're putting it on a trainer, putting your bike on a trainer like inside your house or something. But yeah, so I like to do that, and then essentially you're done. So if this helped you out, please just hit the like, subscribe button. Helps me out immensely. And then yeah, I'll see you on the next one.